protesters from doing that. But again, I mean,
because they already targeted this guy's house. I mean, I just so far know they already went to this developer's house on December 16th and did this to him. Then the police maintained order. There weren't any major incidents. But how many of these is this man going to have to go through?
And through vile language at the house. I mean, this is
what
going
a weird
on.
Combination.
I think, yeah, exactly. And it was covered by the press, again, once as just out of work employees singing Christmas carols. But these are what sort of underlies a lot of this stuff is a chip on the shoulder from these protesters that people are successful and have a nice home. I mean,